बेटा पीएचडी करना पड़ेगा ये सवाल। गाली के ऊपर आज तक पीएचडी का ऐसा कहीं पे भी सिलेबस में है नहीं, सिर्फ कबीर सिंह के सिलेबस में हो। नो बट मैंने इसलिए शुरुआत में जब हम लोगों ने थोड़ी बहुत बात की थी फिल्म की, मैंने यही कहा था कि प्लीज़ आप फिल्म की जो सोल है, फिल्म की जो लव स्टोरी है और जो कैरेक्टर का पेन है, प्लीज़ उसको समझने की कोशिश कीजिएगा। आप 2-2.5 मिनट का ट्रेलर देख रहे हैं, उसमें ज़्यादातर फिल्म की कहानी और क्योंकि ये टाइटल रोल है इसलिए कैरेक्टर का एटीट्यूड, क्योंकि आप कबीर सिंह को देखने आ रहे हैं, सो यू वुड नीड टू नो कि कबीर सिंह है कौन। मैं 2-2.5 घंटे उसको झेल पाऊंगा, नहीं झेल पाऊंगा, मुझे एंटरटेन करेगा, मुझे रुलाएगा, मुझे हंसाएगा, क्या करेगा। सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द पीपल टू अंडरस्टैंड द वर्ल्ड ऑफ कबीर सिंह एंड द हेड स्पेस ऑफ द कैरेक्टर। तो इसके अंदर जो भी चीज़ें दिखाई गई हैं, वो कहीं भी मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगता, जब मैंने ओरिजिनल भी देखी थी, इसकी एक्चुअली ओरिजिनल फिल्म है अर्जुन रेड्डी जो काफ़ी सिमिलर फिल्म है। तो अगर आप वो देखेंगे तो शायद आपको समझ में आएगा कि ये 2.5 मिनट के अंदर इतना ही समझा सकते हैं हम लोगों को, लेकिन जब आप फिल्म देखेंगे 2.5 घंटे की, you will understand the journey of the character, and hopefully you will come away with something very beautiful, because the love story is very passionate and very honest. Yes, the character has a crazy attitude, and yes, that's exciting, but the film is not just exciting, there's a lot more to it.
It's pretty much similar, but once the region and the topography changes with the character from Reddy from Hyderabad, Mangalore, to Singh from Delhi to Bombay, so things like that will change with the region and the character and the caste system in the north. So other than that, I think we kept the core emotion same and try to treat it in a little different way, but not try to. I mean, we didn't change the skeleton of the film or the core emotion of the film.
और डार्क का तो ऐसे है, अभी गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स इतना पॉपुलर है यार, इट्स क्वाइट डार्क in terms of, so I don't think that.
So even we can answer that and tell you that this is probably his finest performance, because every scene, and I can say this and I can vouch for this, that I shot with him, there was not a moment in that didn't feel honest and didn't feel real. And we would see him in his zone, all of us, every single person on set. And by the way, this is the OG, the original Kabir Singh. Arjun Reddy is actually our director. So you had so much angst and intensity on set that it would just flow. Everything
Yeah, we
felt
had
raw
two
and real.
intense bulls on the set all the time.
And then there was me in between,
Sandeep.
like, trying to make
And
them-
she was the nice energy. The first schedule that we shot was without Kiara. And it was very angsty because we were doing all the bearded portions of the film. And the minute Kiara came, everybody became nice and happy. And,
They just
female
needed-
energy is so
waiting
important,
for
I tell
Preeti
you.
to come.
First of all, want to send all my love to all you guys at the back. Thank you so much for coming here. You guys are the reason why we make movies, so you guys count the most. Thank you. This is a very special film. Kabir Singh is a film that's straight from the heart, and I think the best films are the ones that are straight from the heart. And I think the heart belongs to Sandeep. I don't know when it got broke, but a lot of shit happened after it got broke. So you'll see all of that in the world of Kabir Singh. It's a very intense love story. It's a very beautiful love story. Please don't get drawn into the fact that there is alcohol and cigarettes and things like that. Sometimes to show the pain that a man goes through, you need to use certain things to help the audience understand that. And there's a lot of honesty in the film. It's very different from the characters that I've played before. I know everybody thinks that this is a very, very edgy role. People are, saying, just a Tommy Singh mein tha Udta Punjab mein, or in some portions of Heather where I was playing a little insane. This is a love story, so the insanity is because of the fact that the man has a broken heart, and there is deep emotion at the heart of this film. The character happens to be very entertaining, but it's really his emotional arc that was so exciting, that even though Arjun Reddy is a cult film, and I personally believe you should not try and remake cult films, because when something's so beautiful, why do you want to try and spoil it? But I was just so inspired by the world of the film, by the way Sandeep had told this story, and by the character of Arjun Reddy, which is now Kabir Singh, that I wanted to take a shot at it. It was too good an opportunity as an actor. We've put a lot of heart and soul into this film. It's been a very, very long, very intense journey. We've all been through a very intense journey for a year. And we really hope that people can feel the pain, the angst, the love that Kabir Singh is trying to honestly depict.